Welcome back my YouTube channel Coins ZFL. I hope you're all ready to explore one of the most fascinating and valuable coins in the world today. In this video, we're diving deep into the 10-1 coin from South Korea, minted in 2009, and its astonishing value of $22.55 million. Sounds crazy, right? Stick around because we're going to uncover everything from its origins, design, rarity, and what makes it one of the most sought-after collector's items today. What makes a 10-1 coin worth a jaw-dropping $22.55 million? Stay tuned as we explore the history, rarity, and story behind this incredible coin. You won't believe the details, and you might just want to go hunting for one yourself. So, let's start with the basics. The 10-1 coin was first introduced in 1949, but today we're focusing on the 2009 edition. Typically, these coins are made from copper and nickel, and the 10-1 coin is often seen as a standard circulating currency in South Korea. It's not a rare coin at first glance, so what makes this one stand out from the thousands of others minted that same year? The South Korean one has undergone numerous changes since its inception in 1945, evolving in design and material. By 2009, the 10-1 coin was part of the nation's everyday life. However, this particular 10-1 coin, which you may find in a change jar, was not your typical circulation piece. Understanding this coin requires a little bit of history and a lot of rare circumstances. The South Korean Mint produced a standard series of coins that year, but one specific coin among the millions minted became a historical artifact. This is where it gets fascinating. You see, the 10-1 coin you might find in your wallet or on the street today is not the one we're talking about. In fact, the specific coin we're focusing on was mistakenly minted, making it an accidental rarity that collectors go wild for. In 2009. A batch of 10-1 coins was produced with a unique flaw. An error in the minting process resulted in a coin being struck with the wrong type of metal, giving it a composition unlike anything else in its series. This coin was made with a special alloy that was supposed to be used for a higher value coin. As a result, just a handful of these special coins exist today. This rarity has caused its value to skyrocket to an eye-watering $22.55 million. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the design of the 10-1 coin. At first glance, it may seem simple, but every detail tells a story. The obverse features a traditional Korean design with a stylized depiction of the denomination 10-1. On the reverse, you'll find the symbol of the South Korean National Assembly, signifying its importance in the nation's identity and economy. However, it's not just the design that makes this coin rare. It's the material and the error that make it a collector's dream. Coin collectors often talk about the importance of rarity, and in this case, it's the key reason why this 10-1 coin is so valuable. In the world of numismatics, rarity can significantly boost a coin's worth, especially when combined with an interesting backstory. Coins that are produced in error, especially when it involves a change in metal composition, are prized because they are virtually irreplaceable. Typically, these types of coins don't make it into regular circulation. Most of the flawed coins are caught and destroyed before they ever reach the public. But because a few slip through the cracks, this 10-1 coin became a once-in-a-lifetime find for those lucky enough to stumble upon it. The very few collectors who own one are sitting on a gold mine, $22.55 million. To be exact, let's talk about the market for this coin. In the world of high-end coin auctions, rare items like this 10-1 coin fetch incredible prices. For context, this particular coin has been sold at major international auctions for millions of dollars. The rarity and the story behind it create a perfect storm for investors looking to diversify their portfolios with something unique that if you're thinking about collecting coins as an investment, There are several factors to consider. Coin collecting isn't just about picking out shiny items from your pocket change. It's about understanding rarity, history, and the markets. And in some cases, like with the 10-1 coin, an accident in production can result in an incredibly valuable item. Now, with coin collecting evolving and more people getting into numismatics, what does the future hold for rare coins like this one? Will we see even more valuable coins discovered? Or are the days of accidental rarities behind us? Well, that's still up for debate, but as demand for rare coins increases, there's no telling where the market could go. Oh, there you have it. An accidental 10-1 coin from South Korea that has risen to a value of $22.55 million. It's a perfect example of how history, rarity, and a little bit of luck can come together to create a priceless item. What do you think? Do you think coins like these will keep appreciating in value, or are we nearing the end of these extraordinary finds? Thanks for tuning into this episode of ZF Coins. If you enjoyed this deep dive into rare coins and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out. Share your thoughts or questions about the 10-1 coin in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions. Until next time, happy collecting, and who knows, maybe your next coin could be worth millions.